about when kids don't care and what you can do about it. Now, do they really not care? I know they say, I don't care. And that could be the way they feel in the moment. But really, a care is attached to a lot more. So I don't want to teach kids to care. I want to teach kids to be inspired, to be concerned about something, to have interest in something, to gain attachment to something, to have responsibility. And once they have those things, lo and behold, they care. Did you ever have a classroom pet when you were a kid or something like that, and everybody fought to see who was going to feed it that day? You were so attached to it and so interested in it and so concerned about it that you wanted to be in line to feed it, and you couldn't wait for your day to feed it. I remember we had chickens in my classroom when I was a kid because we'd hatch the little eggs, and some classrooms still do that. And we cared so much about those chickens. But then I realized we were interested, we were concerned about them, and it motivated us to care. So go to those words instead of care and ask yourself, what am I doing that's giving them the experience of concern, motivation, responsibility, interest? Because then they'll care. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.